People always want to know, like, what exactly is training for the bedroom? And it's not just some catchy name, and it's not some kind of sex or dating course. The truth is, along with holistic health and holistic medicine, training for the bedroom is my life's work and passion. It's about helping men reconnect to their bodies, their presence, their purpose, and their relationships. It's for men who are tired of feeling flat, distracted, anxious, shut down, constantly confused about what women actually want. It's for the men who might be killing it at work, but then feel lost when they get home. It's for men who need to get back into the gym and get their body moving. It's for men who get into the gym pretty consistently, but are still feeling weak in their confidence, their communication, or in their performance in the bedroom. So what do we actually do with training for the bedroom? We work together to rebuild men from the inside out. We start with the foundations of masculine health. This is about strong blood flow, stable hormones, better sleep, better nervous system regulation, and physical movement that actually supports performance in life and the bedroom. You learn how to use your breath. You learn about your posture. You learn about focus so you can stay present under intensity instead of just checking out when things are getting hard or emotional. And then we're going to layer in the deeper work, polarity, masculine and feminine energy. We'll talk about how attraction really works, how you lead without being controlling, how to listen without collapsing, and how to stay open without losing your edge. Here's the truth. Our sex life, our love life, these things are not separate from our health. They are expressions of it. When our body's inflamed and exhausted, of course desire fades. When the nervous system's fried, your presence disappears. When your boundaries are unclear, attraction falls apart. And when you don't know where you're going, when you don't have goals and a destination, there's no way you're going to get there. So training for the bedroom is bringing all of this together. It's about holistic health, nervous system work, relationship polarity, and practical tools to make your life and your relationships better. You're not just getting theory, you get me in your corner. I'm a doctor, I'm a coach, I'm a man who's doing my own work. And yeah, I've made plenty of mistakes and I continue to learn every single day. In my practice, I have seen men reclaim their confidence and their health after divorce, after a job loss. I've watched men move from people-pleasing to grounded leadership. I've seen relationships go from cold and resentful to playful, passionate, and actually fun again. I'm not teaching or talking about anything I'm not practicing in my own life. So can you do this? Absolutely. What does it take? A willingness to be honest with yourself, to stay curious, to train your presence, and push yourself to do better and do more than you've done so far. And if you can get there, I can walk with you as you reshape how you show up in life, love, and the bedroom. The first step, it's so simple. Start engaging with the work. Watch these videos, listen to the teachings, come to a workshop, reach out, schedule a call. I'm here and I'm waiting to talk to you. Everything you want, more confidence, deeper intimacy, stronger boundaries, better performance, and a clearer sense of who you are, it all begins with how you choose to show up today. Train your body, train your breath, train your presence. My brothers, that is training for the bedroom.